It's closing day today at Mount Shasta Ski Park. A lot of fun festivities planned. We will see dry weather through the day. Winds will pick up, clouds will increase this afternoon. Temperatures climbing into the 40s, but a storm system will have some big impacts as we head especially into tonight on into tomorrow. For today, ahead of the rain and the mountain snow, temperatures will be mild for highs, but that rain will work in around midday for the coast, so temperatures will be far cooler there. And we will be seeing those strong south and southwest winds. Here's a look at peak gusts today into tonight on into tomorrow through this weekend. We could be looking at the coast and coastal mountains and some of the high terrain of the east side, the Summer Lake area, seeing gusts up to 60-65 miles per hour. Some strong winds expected up in the mountains, and then also even west side valleys, including the Rogue Valley, gusts up to 30 miles per hour are possible. Here's a look at the high wind warnings that are in place beginning today at 10 a.m. for the coast, and then later this afternoon for the east side high terrain. We also have wind advisories for the Shasta Valley beginning today, and then also lower elevations of eastern Klamath into Lake County, where gusts up to 45 miles per hour are possible. So here's a look at precipitation spreading inland as we head through this afternoon into this evening. Snow levels will drop tonight, and we expect some rounds of heavier snow at times up through the Cascades. Scattered rain and snow tonight east of the Cascades and then into Northern California. But mainly when it comes to winter driving, it's going to be mainly the Cascades that see the most for snowfall. But there will be some light accumulations for some of the higher passes of the east side. The storm system winds down later on your Sunday. Here's a look at snow levels. Notice how they drop off pretty quickly, but most of the accumulating snow will be above 4,000 feet. The most significant snow up towards the Crater Lake and Diamond Lake area. Lake of the Woods seeing at least about 3 to 6 inches, but those higher totals up over 6 inches will be further to the north, and there will be some difficult travel because of the snow. We could see snowfall rates as high as 1 inch per hour tonight and then into tomorrow morning. So travel through the Diamond Lake area, 230, 138, 62. It's going to be pretty difficult through a good chunk of Sunday because of the snow and the wind. Here's a look at snowfall amounts. Notice those lighter totals for some of the higher terrain of the east side, at least a few inches up at Mount Ashland, but the highest totals up towards the Diamond Lake and Crater Lake area, 6 to 12 inches, looking like a pretty good bet. For the Rogue Valley, we're just going to stick with mainly rain. We'll get to at least about 1/10 to as much as 1/4 of an inch or so in the Rogue Valley. Higher totals of rain for the coast and coastal mountains. Cooler on Sunday, but we have more rain in the forecast come Monday. A very active stretch of weather through the weekend into the start of next week. Some of that rain will be heavy on Monday again for the coast. For Northern California, we'll get some wet weather to work on in as we head into, especially later today into tonight, snow up in the mountains, and then some more wet weather early next week. The Klamath Basin, strong winds today into tomorrow. We'll also get to some wintry weather, especially into tonight. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, travel going to be a little bit dicey through those Cascade passes tonight into tomorrow, but we do expect higher snow levels with that next storm Monday into Tuesday. And then in the Rogue Valley, expect some of that wet weather working in later today. Winds will be gusty, and it stays active into early next week. You'll need that umbrella later Monday and on into Tuesday.
If you've been filling